Another day, another beard and bike session. So for any of you that have watched the previous video for the big one, will know that on the ride out when we were at Donington Services, unfortunately Jordan's bike had a little bit of a mishap and we could not get it to start. We managed to bodge it together, get it running, which allowed him to do the ride around the racetrack and then get him home. We found that the neutral switch was faulty, so we bypassed that, and Jordan has now ordered himself the neutral switch, which has arrived. I'm currently on my way to his domicile to go and see if we can get it stripped apart and get it replaced. Whilst we're doing it, he's also bought himself some forward controls for the bike, so we will see about doing them at the same time. I'm now on the nice journey across to his house, so we'll see you when we get there. Finally made it to Jordan's house. Welcome to Jordan's man cave. This is amazing. Check this out. He's got some purpose-built doors put in the back of his house so he can get his bike straight in. There we go to that. So we've got a bit of a mammoth task ahead of us now to do one tiny little thing, which is change the neutral switch on the bike. We're going to see how we go. There's a particular socket that we need what we haven't got, so this is going to be a two-part job. We'll be getting it apart today. And do you want to see about putting on your forward controls whilst we're at it? Yeah, we'll get the forward controls on there. Do it all. We'll get the forward controls on and we'll take it from there. So we'll do some video as we go. Catch you in a bit. Is have a look and see where it's tucked in. Where is it? Where's my phone? There we go. Just grab that and I go and pull it straight out. There you go. So far, so good. What say you?
Yep, I've done all the hard work.
Okay, so we've got the forward controls mounted on in place for the brake side. That's all we're going to do with that. Now we've got the drive pulley cover off. We're going to pick up the socket on Monday for that and come back to get that off. So in the process, we have noticed that Jordan's belt, unfortunately, the teeth are breaking off. And we've just discovered that that's not exactly a cheap part. But good to see it now rather than when you're riding down the motorway. Yeah? So we're going to get the bike jacked up. We're going to loosen off the back wheel so we can take the tension off the belt, get the belt off so we can see which one exactly it is that we've got. And then we'll swap to the gear side and get the forward control mounted on that side. And I reckon that'll be pretty much it for today. Okay, so we've got the belt off Jordan's bike now. Just going to give you a quick view of this. So if you take a look at the teeth, literally each and every one of the teeth is literally pulling back. So, new drive belt required. So we're going to have to get Jordan on the case, get a new belt ordered up, which they don't appear to be a cheap affair, but then again, you don't want to buy cheap because buy cheap, buy 10 times, and at the end of the day, you want something good quality and safe that's going to last you and not snap whilst you're riding. Brew time, cheers. Oh. Yeah, that one was nice fit. This one just...
If they like worn it or something?
Possibly, or it's weathered. See, all I need to do is get it to just crack. Once it cracks, we're good. I've got to be very careful. There we go. Got my finger at the same time.
The tension.
Yeah.
I think I stopped breathing.
Yeah,
UK, it just disappeared.
Right. Oh, fucker.
You alright?
Yeah, that actually let sparks off that. Slam my thumb. That physically sparked that then. I don't know where it sparked from. I don't know whether it was the bolt giving or... Yeah, there we go. That didn't want to go.
I hope your video picked that up.
Oh yeah, good call. Okay. Excuse my language. I tend to swear quite vulgar stuff when I've hurt myself. Gear side forward controls are now installed. Make a few adjustments as to what feels right for Jordan, you know, the height of the foot peg, adjusting arm and so on and so forth. Make sure I tighten up everything so it's all secure, and yeah, I think that's pretty much done for now. Thumbs up for a good job.